Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be taking a look at how to get mods for BoneLabs. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So what you want to do when you first launch the game is obviously you want to at least beat the tutorial to unlock the mods. Once you have beaten the tutorial, click on the mods section in the main menu, agree to the terms and services, and go to approved mods. Then what you want to do is click on the mods you want to install. I don't know how to install external mods, meaning mods that are made by the community, since none have been released yet, but I assume it's going to be relatively the same process. After that, you can enter the game and go to the mods section. Once you do that, go to the download section, again agree to the terms and services, and click on installed. Once you're done, go to the middle machine in the middle of the map, aka the minigame area, and select your modded avatars. Alright guys, if you guys did like the video, you know what to do, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, remember to check yourself. Peace.